Inamin ni Klay Thompson na kakaiba daw talaga ang galing ni LeBron James pagdating sa basketball. Matatandaan na ilang beses nagkaharap ang team ni LeBron at ang team ni Klay Thompson na Golden State Warriors. At inamin ni Klay Thompson na wala daw na kahit sinong player sa NBA ay may kayang gumawa ng ginawa ni LeBron na kayang kontrolin ng bawat laro. Dagdag pa niya ay kaya daw gawin lahat ni LeBron sa loob ng court at wala daw itong kahinaan at nasaksihan nga daw ito ng marami sa 4 na magkakasunod na magkaharap sila sa NBA Finals. At nung nagsisimula pa nga lang daw si LeBron sa kanyang karir, tulad ng una daw niyang paglalaro sa NBA Finals nung ito ay nasa Miami Heat pa, ay medyo hindi pa nga daw pulido ang jump shot ni LeBron. Pero nung sila na nga daw ang mismo nakaharap ni LeBron sa NBA Finals, ay siguradong napasok na daw ang mga jump shot nito. At si LeBron nga daw ang pinakamahirap na naging kalaban niya sa buong karir niya nung walang duda.
Who was the hardest player to guard?
LeBron. I mean, we saw him for four straight finals, and I haven't seen anyone control the game as well as he does. He can do everything on the court. He has no weaknesses. Yeah, his first couple finals, his jump shot was a little shaky. The time we saw him, man, that his jumper on the left wing was automatic, you know. So he was the toughest opponent I ever faced. No question.
Getting to it.
At sinabi din ni Klay Thompson kung sino ang kanyang top 5 player of all time. Nandyan nga daw sila Shaquille O'Neal, Tim Duncan, LeBron James, Kobe Bryant, at ang dati niyang teammate na si Stephen Curry.
Center, I'm going Shaq.
Okay.
Yeah, pace and space. Shaq did the opposite. Like, so I go Shaq at the 5. Gotta go Tim Duncan, big fundamental at the 4 because man is just the definition of consistency. LeBron at the 3. Gotta go Kobe at the 2. I love Mike, but I just gotta go. I grew up watching Kobe. Got to play against him. 81, 12 threes, gold medals. Yeah, I love MJ, but Kobe just because that's my era. Steph at the 1. I'm loyal to my PG of the past.
Yan nga ang naging sagot ni Klay Thompson sa kung sino ang top 5 player of all time niya. At talagang kahanga-hanga nga ang isang LeBron James dahil kahit ilang beses nga nilang tinalo ang team ni LeBron ng NBA Finals ay talagang pinahirapan muna sila ni LeBron dahil hindi nga daw yun mabilis at talagang pinahirapan daw sila nito.